Good morning and welcome to my YouTube channel, guys. Today in this video I need to fix a few things on my bike. The first one would be the starter motor cover because it's leaking oil. The second thing is I need to tighten the rear brakes because the rear brakes are loose. Third thing would be to clean the chain and then get the bike washed. The last thing that I need to do is shop for a riding jacket because I'm looking for a good riding jacket. And before we do all of this, let's do some unboxing. So there are a few things that I need to unbox today. This is the package that I received from GearBest in about 50 days. Although I've already opened this package to check if the contents are in good shape. So the first is this SJ Cam medium size box to keep my SJ Cam camera. Quality looks good. These are cutouts. The second one is this throttle control. The third thing that I received, in Royal Enfield you get like these plastic caps and sometimes they break. So I've got these metal ones now. These are lightweight, made of aluminum. And the last and the most important thing that I received is the bike charger, and this is of a very good quality. These are two spare fuses. Here you can install the fuse, and if you open it, it's a dual charger, dual 2.1. It's a fast charger. See, the bike is like very dirty. I need to get it washed. So the oil is leaking from here, so I think I need to open this cap, this cover, and reapply the bond and then place it again. But before that I need to get it washed, and even the chain is quite dirty. So start the vehicle, put it in first gear and then spray some diesel here. See, the mark is falling off. I poured diesel on this area that had dirt accumulation, sprayed a lot of diesel on the chain, and a lot of muck has fallen. And now I'm just taking it for a wash. So this is the starter motor cover that is leaking oil from here. So I need to take it off. It has to be opened with these 1, 2, 3 and 4 screws. To open this you need this 4 mm key. It's pretty tight. That's it, they are open. Now to open the starter motor cover, I figured out that that's all one piece. So I need to open starter motor. Now the starter motor is out. Take it out and then I scraped everything off like this. The old gasket needs to come out. just wipe things. तो टाइम हो रहा है 4:10 और मैं जा रहा हूँ अपना बाइक का चार्जर फिक्स करवाने के लिए। ऑल्दो इट्स अ बिट लेट, थोड़ा ट्रैफिक का टाइम हो गया है क्योंकि मैं आज थोड़ा सो के लेट उठा, तो हम टेकिंग अ शॉर्टकट। तो लास्ट सर्विस के बाद से जो मेरा सर्विस का वीडियो आपने देखा, तब से मैं जावेद भाई के पास नहीं गया हूँ। मगर आज मैं ये अपना चार्जर जो गियरबॉक्स से मुझे मिला है, जो मैंने ख़रीदा है रादर, तो ये मैं फिक्स करवाने के लिए लेके जा रहा हूँ। आगे सब जगह पे ये हैवी व्हीकल्स बंद हैं ड्यूरिंग डे टाइम, मुंबई छोड़ के। मुंबई में पता नहीं क्यों ट्रक्स और ये हैवी व्हीकल्स दिन के टाइम में, ट्रैफिक के टाइम में अलाउ करते हैं। गर्मी बहुत ज़्यादा है, लगता नहीं है कि ठंड का मौसम चालू है। रात के वक्त मतलब थोड़ी ठंड हो जाती है, लेकिन इतनी नहीं है कि आपको बोर ना हो सके। मतलब आप एक टी शर्ट या एक शर्ट पहन के निकल सकते हो मुंबई में। ये इलाका बैरामबाग कहलाता है, जो कि थोड़ा बहुत अंधेरी में आता है और ज़्यादातर हिस्सा जोगेश्वरी वेस्ट में आता है। तो ये चार्जर फिक्स करना मुझे आता है कि कैसे किया जाता है, लेकिन अगर डायरेक्ट बैटरी से कनेक्ट करना हो तो मुझे आता है। मुझे चाहिए कि ये इसके साथ कनेक्टेड हो, अपनी इग्निशन की के साथ। जैसे इग्निशन की ऑन करूँ तभी चार्जर ऑन होना चाहिए, नहीं तो नहीं होना चाहिए। वरना क्या होगा कि आप अपनी बाइक कहीं पार्क करेंगे और पब्लिक उससे अपना फ़ोन चार्ज करेगी और आपकी बैटरी ड्रेन कर देगी। बस की थोड़ी छांव में खड़े हो जाते हैं क्योंकि गर्मी बहुत ज़्यादा है। और बाइक बंद कर देते हैं।
So the charger is being installed like this. This is the waterproof and the dustproof cover. And I'm connecting it to the ignition switch. And without cutting any wires, so that the warranty remains intact.
Now the problem is that I tried to buy the jacket, but they don't have double XL in black in Rhinox. I'm getting the level 2 C armor version, but for some reason they don't have it. There was a piece, but that was faulty. So he told me that he'll get the jacket and he'll call me. I'll take a U-turn from here. There were a lot of stuff and everything is at a reasonable price, but don't expect to get any discounts from them. Well, so that's it for today, guys, and I'll go back to AH Helmets once they have the correct size. They will call me. That's what they have said, and so it may take around another 4 to 5 days or a week before the size becomes available. Thank you for watching this video, guys. So that's it for now, and if you like the video, please give it a big thumbs up, like, comment and subscribe to my channel, guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.